Creating high-quality video is usually a massive struggle. You need scripts, storyboards, music, and hours of complex editing. But what if you could skip the heavy lifting and just have a conversation? Meet the new Runway Agent, your AI creative partner. It takes you from a vague idea to a publish-ready video with no complex brief required. Let's look at this headphone ad. You just describe what you want, and instead of spitting out a silent clip, the agent builds a full creative outline. It thinks about the visual style, sets the mood, and writes the story beats for you, right before your eyes. And then it generates the final project. Just look at this. Multiple scenes, beautifully paced, fully assembled, with its own music and sound. It is incredibly impressive. But here is the real question. How much control do we actually have? Let's do our own crash test and find out.
Huge thanks to Runway for sponsoring this video. Let's log in and see if this agent is just another AI tool or a creative partner we can actually steer.
To start our crash test, let's head straight to the agent. Now, forget everything you know about complex prompting. This isn't about guessing the right keywords. It's about having a real conversation with a creative partner that actually understands the vision you have in mind.
I'm starting with a simple thought, a cinematic teaser for a sci-fi movie about a lonely astronaut. Now, look at this. You can manually add characters or locations to guide the agent, but the real power lies in the conversation itself. I'll select Cinematic to set the mood, but the Add Your Own option is there if you need a very specific aesthetic. Now, let's dial in the details. You've got full control over the technical specs, format, duration, and output resolution. I'm setting this to 16:9, 30 seconds in 108p for maximum quality. But the real magic happens here, the audio options. I'm choosing music plus voiceover because that's how you get that professional cinematic feel right out of the gate. It shows that while the agent does the heavy lifting, you're still the one steering the ship and making the final calls. After a short moment to process the idea, the agent presents a complete creative outline. We have a title, a full summary, and visual references like our astronaut and the space setting. It's already looking very professional. But look at the bottom. It even scripts out the story beats for every single shot. This roadmap lets you review the entire vision before you hit generate. Now let's put that control to the test. I'm asking the agent to move our astronaut to an abandoned, neon-lit ice planet. This is where the true collaboration really starts. If any part of the outline doesn't fit, from the general mood to a specific story beat, you just tell the agent to adjust it until it matches your vision perfectly. No complex brief required, just a simple, natural exchange. If you need even more precision, you can upload your own images or reference files directly from your computer. Once the outline is perfect, just click Generate Your Video, and the agent starts bringing your vision to life. The agent is now weaving everything together, the visuals, the music, and the voiceover. And here it is. Just look at the quality of these shots. The neon lights reflecting off the ice, it's exactly what we envisioned during our conversation. This isn't just a clip, it's a full production. Notice the timeline. Music and voiceover are already synced. It's incredible to see all this assembly happening right here without having to touch any external editing tool. We are really seeing how a simple conversation can turn into a finished professional video. Check out these keyboard shortcuts. There's a great selection here to really speed up your creative workflow. All right, let's see the final result of our conversation. Check this out.
847 days. The ice remembers everything. Every step, every frequency, every signal sent into nothing. Somewhere, someone wrote my name on a list. I wonder which column.
I wanted to experiment with a completely different style, so I started a fresh conversation with the agent. After a few adjustments to the mood and the hero's look, I'm actually quite happy with the result. It shows how easily you can refine a vision. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments.
They built this room before they had a word for God. And then something came to fill it. Whatever you were afraid of in the dark when you were small, you were right.
From cinematic worlds to high-end commercials, the Runway Agent turns your vision into a finished project through a simple conversation. It's a powerful partner for any creator who wants to focus on the story, not the software. Ready to try it? Use the link below and the code AGENT50 for 50% off your first 3 months. I can't wait to see what you'll create.